Alright guys, quick video today. I'm just going to be showing y'all how to rekey one of your door locks. In this case, it's coming off of a 98 Dodge Ram. So here's the exploded view of what you're going to be dealing with, and here is a complete one. So what you're going to want to start with is, once you get everything out of the handle, get a screwdriver and pry up each of those dimpled edges. So that's going to result in your main cap coming off. Then you've got the shield for it, which you can leave on for this process. I just have it taken off because it was already broken. And then here is where your main deal is going to be, what you're going to be dealing with. So this is your actually main tumbler. And as you can see, you've got all these spots. I only have a few of the actual pins in there right now, but as you can see, at least with this one, when you have it in there and you press it down, it's just going to spring back up. It won't come out at all. So when you take your key out of the lock, this is what it's going to look like. So the process is actually very simple for changing these over. So let's say you have a predetermined lock, something like this, and you are replacing your door lock and you don't want to have two locks or two keys. So each of these has all of these tumblers, and they're all unique to your key design. As you can see, they're all ever so slightly different. Just has to do with the ridges on the key itself. So when you're swapping stuff over, all you really have to do is take all of your old pins out of your old lock and put them in your new lock. Mark it out. There's going to be, at least for the Dodge, there's 7 total. And then in order to remove them, all you do is press down and press over slightly, and then from that point they should just pop out in this case. So on the new locks it's going to be a lot easier, but for the older ones, all you do is press down on it and pry it over, and it'll come out like that. So at that point, you're going to want to make sure you keep all of them in order, going from the front to the back, as well as all of their little springs, just in case you lose one. And you just do the same process with this. Take it all apart and you swap all of the pins in the exact order from this side over to this side. And then once you've got all that done, you put the key back in and then you reinsert it into the main case, this part right here. And then you should be good to let it go, and then you can reinstall this later cap and reinstall everything. So overall, it's really easy. I was very nervous because on my keys, obviously they're all coded so that the door locks and the ignition is going to be the same, but when you switch over to a new door lock, it's already pre-coded for a different one. I didn't want to have to use 2 keys. I just figured this out on my own, and this is how you do it. So I appreciate you guys watching this quick video, and y'all have a good one.